Hi folks, John Tobis here. I'm going to show you how to build a cipher with the tap code encoder. In this case here, we're starting with a quote that was generated by the test builder. You can pick a quote on your own. You can let the test builder make a recommendation. A couple of interesting things about making a good quote. You really want to have, fortunately, the letters E and T end up having a lot of taps, and they're the most common letters. So it's really hard to make a quote that doesn't work well with the tap cipher. You're really looking for something that's about 40 characters or so. The number of characters and number of taps really affects the difficulty of the cipher. But basically, once you've got the quote in there, the code generate the cipher generator generates everything that you need. But what you need to do is you need to go ahead and build the question and the points nicely here. You can just say suggest question after you've gotten a quote that you like. And it says, all right, we've got this. So we're going to replace the question text. And then we can actually let it give us a number of points. In this particular case, there's 28 characters in the quote. It's not too bad. It's 5 lines of taps, 163 taps, good opportunity for the kids to make a few mistakes. But it's recommending about 57 points. We like that number, so we're going to head and set that. And there you have it. You've got a tap code cipher pretty quickly done. Have a wonderful day.